This account was suspended and I reinstated it. I reinstated it. As you can see, it says you are back on Instagram. Your account is no longer suspended. I'll now show you the steps I took to get this account reinstated. I'll show you how to appeal if your Instagram account is suspended and you are told something like you have 180 days left to appeal. This is my advice. When your account is suspended this way, scroll down. They will tell you why this happened. And if you read very well, something like this one, they are saying that it looks like this account is associated with another account that has gone against our rules. This doesn't follow our community guidelines on account integrity and authenticity or authentic identity. Now it goes further to say, read more about this rule. If you click on this, it will open to a new tab. You can read more about what they're saying. Then it goes further to say your account is not visible to people on Instagram right now, and you cannot use it. What you can do, if you have a Facebook or Instagram account that is suspended, log into that account for more information on what to do next. And it says, if you think we made a mistake, start an appeal to get back into your account. So I think this one is a mistake. So I'm clicking on the appeal. So you click on the appeal. It will say, help us confirm it is you. So you click on, I am not a robot. Then to ask you something like this one, verify. These people. It says continue. Then they are asking of the email. You put the email, they will send you the code and you confirm it. So you click on next. They will also ask you of the phone number that was connected to the account. Before I continue, let me let you know that the reason they gave for restricting the account, you have to find out exactly, you have to read to understand. So this account, as you saw, for example, they were saying that the policy that is violated is what? Account integrity and authentic identity. And when you come and take time and read it, what you realize is that if you have your Instagram account that is connected to the Facebook and they are having different date of birth or gender or different information relating to the personal account information, you will have problem with them. So in that case, if it is connected to Facebook, you can go to your Facebook to change the details to make sure that it is matching with the information you are using on the Instagram. In fact, the best thing is that you should use the same information on both the Facebook and Instagram. So if you are using the correct one on Instagram and the information on Facebook is not correct, make sure you change the Facebook to align with the Instagram. On the other hand, maybe if you were already using the same information, the correct information on Facebook and the Instagram is not the same, then if you still have the option, you can change the Instagram to align with the Facebook. If you don't have the option, then what you should do is that you can change the Facebook to align with the Instagram, but after you have regained access to the account, make sure you change all of them back to the correct information. It is always advisable to use your correct details in order not to have all these problems. Always use your correct details in order not to have all these problems. Input Ghana. So I'll put the number, send the code. You put the code and you click on next. Now ask you something like upload selfie verification video. If it is on a computer, they will ask you to upload a photo. If it is on a phone, they will ask you to upload a selfie video. So use your phone to record directly. So now that I'm doing it on the computer, I'm just uploading the photo. Make sure the photo is clear and then your face is showing on it. So after that, you click on submit. Appeal, you submitted an appeal on 22nd August. It will take us just over a day to review your information. What next? we'll take another look at your account. And if we find your account does follow our community guidelines, you see, it didn't even take up to 5 minutes. It says we have reviewed your account and it does follow our community guidelines on account integrity and authentic identity. We are sorry you couldn't use Instagram while your account was suspended. Sometimes we need to take precautions. So you see, the account has just been reinstated, and it's just good news. If you follow the same procedure and you take time to do the right things, you will get your account reinstated. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell, and like this video. Leave your comment in the comment section. You can also follow the WhatsApp or Telegram link to contact us for help on how to get for us to help you reinstate your account, to appeal and get you reinstated. And we actually charge to do that, and you can contact us for those services. Thank you, and once again, see you in the next video. Bye-bye.